Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay. But before I start the class today, I will open the class again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good job. How's life, everyone?
We are great today.
Okay, nice. Okay.
What about you, Miss?
Okay, thank you so much for asking me back. I'm great today. Okay, thank you, Debbie.
Yes.
Okay. But before we start our class, let's pray together. I hope that the class will be run till the end. Pray, begin. Praise God. Thank you so much. But before I asking who is absent today, I want to know your motto. I listen to the other teachers that you or this class has the motto or yell or something like that. Okay, I want to listen about this. Once more. Okay, you can start it or I will start it. I will start it. Okay. IPA 2.
Yes.
Okay. IPA 2.
Creative and smart.
Good job. Okay, I like your spirit. Okay, thank you so much. I want to ask who is absent today?
There is an absent today, Miss.
Okay, thank you so much. There's not some absent today. Okay, are you ready for today?
Yes,
Miss. Okay, thank you so much. Oh, now that's good. I will tell you the learning objective today. So, can you do you know what lesson will we learn today?
Today we learn about biology and the material is plant growth and development.
Good job, Faza. Okay, that now I will tell the learning objective of the lesson today. The first, student can conclude the meaning of plant growth and development, and then the second, student can detail the factors of influence the growth and development. The third, student can conclude the differences in a plant and development. And then the next, student can observe. So you can observe later the working of the skill process and then for growing plants. So later you have project about the growing plant, how to grow, how to plant the plants or the other plants. And then students can compile experimental reports related to plant growth and development. This one, the learning objective today. Do you want to ask something?
No, Miss.
Okay, after I tell you about the learning objective today, I want to ask you everyone, do you think that there are problems with the growth and development of food crops in your area or in your city or something in your district? Let's share your thoughts. So, who wants to share your thoughts? Anyone?
Me, Miss.
Okay, what is that?
Okay. In my opinion, there is a problem we can care about it. I find some people are planting eggplant, but it's not successful because the attack its plant.
Okay, good job. Okay, it is very good answer, Faza. And then, what is plant? Who can give the other overview?
Me, Miss.
Okay, what is that?
I think they have to make a change because most of them don't have a large area to plant some vegetables or another plant, Miss.
Okay, a very good answer, kids. And then, what do you think? Now I will ask the other question. So the first question is, what do you think about growth and development? Oh, okay, maybe the first time you listened to or hear about the growth and development. So I want to ask, what do you think about growth and development? Who can answer it?
Me, Miss.
Okay.
Okay. Growth means an increase in size and mass of particular organism over a period of time. Development is defined as a process wherein a particular organism transforms itself from a lone cell into a more complicated multicellular organism.
Okay. So it means from a lone cell in a more complicated cell. That is development. So good, nice, very good answer. What about the others? Who can give another opinion, maybe?
Sound like others, Miss.
Okay. Okay, so as I was a kid, so I will do the same as you. Would that be okay? Thank you, but for the further information about this material, I will explain it so you all have to listen and you can understand about the material. So after this, I will tell a little bit more information about this material, okay?
Okay.
Now I will explain about plant growth and development. Next one, introduction. The first, what is that? What is the growth and development? This one, all cells of a plant develops from the zygote. And the second, zygote. What is zygote? Zygote produces a number of cells which organize into tissues and organs. And the second, this one, the point of the introduction with this material. So development, as your friends said last time, development is the sum of the two processes, growth and differentiation. After that, during the process of this development, a complex body organization is formed that produce roots and then leaves and then branches and then flowers will be flowers, fruits, seeds, and eventually they die. Okay. The next, growth. Growth may be defined as an irreversible permanent increase in a size, volume, or mass of cell or organ or whole organism. And the second, growth is one of the fundamental of a characteristics of the living being. The second is accompanied by metabolic process. have any question?
No, miss.
No, miss.
Okay, I think that you have understood. I hope that you will understand about this. Later you have project about this material. Next I will tell you about this project. Okay, thank you everyone. After you listen about this material that I shared to you all, and then now I will divide you all in a group. So each group consists, it's up to you, 4 people, 1 people, or 3 people, and then give you a student a worksheet. And then after that, you can read and understand about the content of the worksheet that I shared and that I give to you. And then let's gather. After that, let's gather to your group and directly read the content. And then if you don't understand about the content of the worksheet, you can ask me. So after reading and understanding the content worksheet, each group must design the project. So the first, you have to read first, understand the content, and then you can design your project. And before that, you can gather with your group. So after my explanation, do you get it with my explanation?
Yes.
Inshallah, we will get it.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Keep on fire, everyone.
Miss, may I ask something?
Okay, what is that?
May we plan another plan, like maybe chili or something else?
You make is a better that I will. I think that is a very good. You make.
Okay, miss.
Remember everyone that the point is your project will be 3 weeks. Your project. So actually all meeting is 4 meetings, but the 1, 2, 3 meeting you can do your project, and then the 4th meeting you can present your final and your the summary of your project. This one. Okay, I will give to the student worksheet. So you have to read first and understand about the content of this project, and then it will be important for you if you understand this project, and then if you have a question, you can ask it. So this one, the student worksheet. So each group you get it, and you get it. Also, you can discuss and share your design to me. And then after that, even that I said before, I said that this project will be for 4 meetings, and from the 2nd meeting to the 3rd meeting. So you have to guide me or explain about the process of your project. So this one I will give you the intensive guidance card. So each group you have to bring it if you come to me to guide about this project. So don't forget to bring it. You can guide it into my class or out of my class. Okay, this one. project? Do you have any difficulties from the worksheet or how to design the project maybe? From the group one, what about you?
We are still discussing about our project, Miss. Later, if we have any difficulties, I will ask you.
Okay, good then. What about the other groups?
We start designing the project.
Okay. After that, if you still designing, I will give you some minutes. Or who will express or explain your project? Please, each group tell me what research project will be designed and made. Also, give the reason why you choose that project. Who is ready for explaining your design of the project? One, two, one.
Miss, group one.
Okay, you can come forward.
Okay, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My friend, good morning. Today I will explain about my project with my groups. I'm the leader of my group, so I will explain about my group. So I actually plan.
difficulty from how to design your project, you can ask me. I will explain the time. Now I will explain the timeline about this project. The project will be for about 2 weeks, or if you can for about 3 weeks. I will add the 1 week. I will give time and then to guidance related to development, research project during class, or also or out of the during class hours. So every group will I have given you the card of guidance. Give a proof like a photo or something else you can put on the paper of the card of guidance. Okay, understood?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good job. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Miss.
Okay, now I will know how your project progress is a group. For the first group 1, please I will come to your group so you can explain your progress, and then don't forget to bring your card guidance. After that will be continued to the next group. Okay, understood everyone?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, I will go to the first group. What about your project?
Plant my chili seeds in a small plate.
Because every group, almost all you say the explanation, the progress of the project. So the next meeting, same, the third meeting of this project, same. You can explain your progress of your project. So this one, thank you very much for the second meeting. This. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, now I will know about your progress of the project. So this one, the next group will be show or explain to me what about your progress. So the next is the group 2. I will know about what about your progress, group 2.
So my group now is plant spinach, and our spinach is 5 centimeters.
Okay, good job everyone. I have done about know the progress of your project until now. So we will meet the next meeting to present your project. So thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Okay, today this one the test result. So I will ask one group to explain about your project from the first how to design, and then maybe your experience how to plan, and then the next the summary or the result of the project. So I will ask the group to present your project.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today group 2 will present about our project, and our project is
we are now in the third meeting, so I will explain your project. It's group from designer to presenting the project. After Faza of group 2 presenting the project, so I will tell for group 1, your project is done well also, but please use a plan that can grow fast so that you can research the internal or external factors from that plan. And then how you present your project is a little bit not clear, but you don't only present but also give a proof from your research. And then but I like your good teamwork. It's very nice.
Okay, thank you, Miss, for your suggestion.
Okay, my pleasure. Now let's share your feeling about this project. Maybe your feeling how to grow, and then this what about the good teamwork, everything. Start from good, so maybe you can share your feeling.
okay, Miss. From us, some of us have never been planted the plant, especially vegetables. We know how to plant with weak system. Even we have to work hard, but this make our teamwork good enough.
Okay, nice. It's a very incredible, everyone. After we discuss it together, Miss will give some question for reference about the material today, and then you get 10 minutes to answer it. If you are done, collect it on my table. Okay, you all have done it. From the lesson we learned today, what do you get?
Miss.
Okay, very nice.
Okay, so I get much information about biodiversity problem around us. I'm interested to know more about this topic. I think we have to move and give impact to get the biodiversity back. We are not only waiting for government, but also we can make a move to solve these problems.
Okay, good then. And now from all those, who can conclude this lesson?
Me, Miss.
Okay, good job.
Okay.
You can.
From the lesson we have learned, I can conclude that we have to realize that factor internal and external of growth and development of plant give big impact.
Okay, that is a great. I'll just give addition that we have learned many things about growth and development of plant, and then you can do it well. And then from that you have many experience about this. You can share your family and your friends how to do some project and anything until you present your project. So let's go. I think it's enough for today. Let's close our class today by reciting Hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin.
Okay, thank you so much for the day. I hope that this will be very useful for you all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, my pleasure.